What if creating a complete AI campaign took less than a minute? No complex workflows, no endless forms, just tell OrcaPulse what you want. So, like in this, I'll demonstrate how easy that is. We'll just log in into the platform. We'll sign in. We have this new feature of click mic button. I'll simply use the new mic voice composer and describe my campaign. And basically it will create and direct us what else we have to do in it. So I'll show you. Like,
hello, how can I help you?
hey, I want to start an SMS campaign.
Please fill this form to continue.
Okay. I just have
This
to.
looks related to the current form, but I do not have that detail here.
Yeah, I just have
Please
to.
continue with the visible fields.
I just have to select the template that I've already made. If I haven't made any template, I can select no. I can type my template. This is new template. Hello users, and template name I can give. Then I have to enter the leads.
Do you already have an SMS template? Available options are yes, no. This field is required.
After entering all the leads that we have, next we have to click on continue.
One more form is needed. Please fill it to continue.
Yeah, so it's telling us that one more form is needed. We have to select the number, or else like whatever number we have, or else get new number. Get new number gives us options to buy new number here only. So we just have to click on any number that we want to select, like this, and then continue with phone setup. Then it will automatically buy the number for us. I'll click on use existing number for me.
One more form is needed.
Yeah,
Please fill it to continue.
So it's telling me one more form is needed. The time gap between execution between two leads, I've selected that. Business restriction time, it's the time of 9 to 9 we can set. Like what time the lead should be contacted. So that I've set it as off, because like I'm sending SMS, so we can send it 24/7 to the leads. So I'll click on start execution now.
Composer, business hours restriction. Turn this on if you want leads to run only during your chosen business hours.
Yeah. So
turn it off to allow execution at any time. This field is required.
Yeah, so it's telling like the leads have been entered now. We can go to review leads now. You can see the user has been added, and it's in pending case. We can see the time also when it will get executed. So the user number is from this country. So at this time 11:46 the lead will get executed. We can see it's just a minute after now. Yeah, it's been contacted. The SMS have been sent to this user. So it's this simple now. Like this, we can enter hundreds of leads using the CSV forms or anything, and the leads will be contacted within minutes. Like we can reach out hundreds of leads, and the campaign can be created in very short period of time. So this is how the OrcaPulse works. So it's that easy to use actually.